Hey, so to import contacts into Salesforce, what you want to start out with is just a CSV file. If you have an Excel spreadsheet, you can just save as a CSV here. This is one just exported pretty much from my Emma. I just took a smaller list of 32 um, email addresses here. So it's just got a few columns that we need to import, and we just need to make sure they go to the contacts inside of Salesforce. So I'm just going into Chrome, going to salesforce.com, logging in. So now that I'm logged in, I'm just going to go to the Contacts tab, go to Import My Accounts and Contacts. Start the import wizard. You can do Outlook or Act. This is going to be another data source. I'm going to choose a smaller file here. It's already imported, so we'll just click this just so it gets through it fast. Now this is the map that you can draw for the actual import. Contact full names. Since we don't have any full names here, I'm just going to change this to email just so they're easy to find. First name and last name are fine. If they're on there, they'll find it. Lead source. I'm just going to click where did you hear about Doc Popcorn franchising. We don't really have that column filled in, but that's just how you do it. Consultant. It's non-selected, but I have changed it so it's a default checked, so we can when you do mass imports, so we can run a report and just pull all the consultants out of the contact pretty easily. I'm going to click next here. All of this stuff really doesn't matter for this import. This is going to just say make sure you check the box if you want to overwrite the existing values, and we do want to overwrite it. And don't make this mistake here of filling in the accounts when you're just putting in contacts, because it'll create an account instead of a contact. An account is really who we kind of want our franchisees to be right now. And that's it. So now we just hit the next one more time. And so it's just saying these are the following list of columns that aren't going to be imported. There's really not any information we need. So we're going to import now. And once we do that, it's pretty much going to be imported. It takes from 30 seconds to a minute to finish, depending on how many records you have. For contacts, you can only do 500 at a time. For leads, you can do 50,000 at a time, and you go through the same process. So now we can go check our contacts. We'll go to contacts created today, and you can see we have 530, and then that's the actual amount after we've imported them. So that's how you mass import contacts in Salesforce.